Namaskar. Finally, we meet. I have been waiting for the longest time to record this video and share my heartfelt feelings with all of you. I am meeting everyone every day of my life, but it has been a long journey of me trying to hide away from this camera and trying to talk to you on a video like this. I find it a bit strange, and maybe that's why I've been refraining from this way of communication. But having said that, COVID came along and it was an eye-opener. It was an eye-opener of how we all were pushed into our homes. We couldn't meet each other, we couldn't share our humaneness together. That has brought this change, and finally I'm ready to make some changes in my life too. It's 17 years and we are closing a new journey and beginning another journey. The 18th year of Aashwasan for us will be a journey of many new projects, many new dreams, and one of the most important things I'm here to share with you all is that I am a very people person. I love people. I want to be one-on-one with everyone, and I hope this is the new change I can bring to myself, which is to communicate with all of you out there in this way as well. Hoping that one day all these barriers no more exist. We close our eyes and we sense each other. We feel something and the other one can feel the same. And hoping that kind of transformation of humaneness will begin in this world. I am very humbled by this journey that we have experienced in Aashwasan, many lives that have come along. I have been humbled to see the transformation through various turns of illnesses, conditions, situations, and my biggest learning has been there is hope, there is the most fundamental path of a journey called possibility. And I would think the most important of all is that the minute you say there is something ahead, there is something beyond us that's waiting to tell us what there is, to show us ahead of time, to show us that you just need to take the leap of faith in life. I am a child at heart. Often my teammates always say, "You're so childlike, my God." And I wonder if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but in my world, it's just a reflection of you bearing it all. And right now, I'm bearing it all with you all. You, my friends, my fellow companions in this world, help me grow, help me learn, help me become a better person. And the only way I can do that is when we interact together like this. You share your heart, you share your journeys, you share all your fears and all those dreams that are untold. And maybe hearing that, I can walk more stronger, more determined. And maybe I can come along in such a way that I might surprise myself too. This is a moment for me to say thank you. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for making me the person I am. Thank you for showing me love. Thank you for showing me hope. And here's to a whole new beginning with you on my 18th year for Aashwasan. I love you all, and infinitely so. Love is everything in my life. Love is where it all begins.